What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We out here early morning up, about to get to it. It's Friday. It's game time, like I told y'all, man. Today is the day we should be selling out and going live, hopefully this weekend. So enter to win to the Silver Bullet giveaway, like I said before. If you haven't done it, the time is now, man. Get in to win it today for 20 spots at $25. You get to win a truck in the back with our 2019 Roadglide paired together for first place. Second place, we got our 2015 Roadglide powder coat up, looking good. So understand that everything is about to be done today. We're about to hit these LA shops, get everything on the way, try to get as many parts as we can so we get everything on track and ready to go. So understand we are sliding, not hiding, getting that work. If you haven't entered win to Silver Bullet giveaway, all you gotta do right now is go to the description below at BuiltByDre.BigCartel.com. Get you a sliding, not hiding patch for $25. Once again, that's 20 spots. It's less than 5 left, so make it count today so we can go live and find a winner, man. I'm telling y'all, it's game time, man. Y'all know what time it is. We getting this work in, y'all. Sliding. Wait, and finally made it out here to LA, y'all. I am amped up, feeling good, man. It's game time, y'all. I'm telling y'all, it's time to make it happen and sell out today and go live and give away these bikes in this truck, man. So today on the agenda, we're sliding down Normandy, but anyway, we got all our packages in there with all the keychains. We got a few more I got to get tonight shipped out, so stay tuned for that. We're about to head to the post office and drop these joints off. So like I said, if you haven't received any of your keychains yet, this is all, you're all in the bag right here. They're on the way. So understand that. We got everything touching down with this week in the next few days with the patches and the rest of the hats. So understand that, y'all. We're literally making it happen, man. But like I said, today we're about to head to these shops, see what's going on and get updates on everything so we can get these bikes complete and hopefully make a Z, man. So that's the goal right now, to get this stuff on the road so it can be 100%. But y'all see what's going on, man. We slide, not hiding, y'all. Yes, sir, man. Pull up to the post office, watching my favorite movie, Wolf of Wall Street, man. About to drop these packages off.
I love you, Jordan. I fucking love you. I love you. I fucking
greatest
love you,
fucking movie, I'm telling you. Y'all gotta watch Wolf of Wall Street, but like I said, we about to get these packages on the way, y'all, man. We sliding. Y'all see what's going on. We getting this work in, man. Making it happen. What up, man? What's going on, my boy? Y'all got a lot of powder coat up in here. Got some small pieces and screws. What's going on, man? Oh yeah, I was gone, man. I dropped back. How you feeling? Good. Man, y'all got it packed in here looking good. Damn, somebody dropped off some, these are car frames, right? Damn. Oh yeah, they didn't fucking did the lowrider shit. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I know it's done. 1, 2, 3, 2. Damn. That's crazy. Let me get low. I'm about to fuck my head up. Damn. This is nice as fuck. These A-arms. Yeah, nah, these is nice. Whoever got them, yeah, those not the original ones. Somebody refabricated these with all these custom welds.
Oh, that's why they look so good.
Hell yeah, that shit is nice. Yes, sir, man. How you doing, buddy? We done finally got them. Yes, sir. Man, I like your masking skills. You're doing a great job. For real. This tape be perfect. Thanks a lot. Yes, sir, man. We done finally left the powder coat shop. Got our parts back there. We're pulling up to my mom's right now. I got to go ahead and get these packages, so stay tuned for that. We're about to get everything on the way and get everything back to the house and get these bikes complete. But we still got 2 more stops to the paint shop and the rim shop, man. So understand that. We're about to make it happen and get it in, y'all. Yes, sir, we done made it to the car wash. I got y'all truck shined up, cleaned up. Y'all see it, it's looking good. We got that towel on the back, cause y'all know, man, Dre's Mobile Detailing is everywhere. They never there. You already see what it is, man. This thing is beefed up. We got the lift kit. We don't got no armor all, but it's good. We at least got the car wash, so we cleaned up. It was very dirty, as y'all seen. So we got it 100% locked and loaded, man. Y'all see we got the slider sticker on the way. Yes, sir, man. We got this thing cleaned up, looking good. We got that powder coat in the back. But we about to get on this freeway and get to these shops and get it going, man. So stay tuned. Y'all see what's going on. What up, YouTube, man? We back out here the next day, man. It's Saturday. We're about to go ahead and try to get this motor up on this Roadglide, get this other second place Roadglide complete, and then I'm gonna update y'all with everything with the giveaway because we're almost sold out. So yes, we still have the $25 at the 20 spots, so get in and win it right now while you can, because I'm telling y'all, we're about to end this giveaway this weekend, man. We got everything in here about to come together, and it's game time, so it's only right that we get to it and make it happen, man. So today's objective is to get this motor back onto the Silver Bullet right here, bolted up to the transmission. I got all the gaskets and everything that I need, so we're gonna do that. So we got this thing on 2 wheels. I'm gonna go ahead and go to Harley, get the cam cover, get the extensions for the bars, wire those up. I think I gotta get an extended brake line, and then we're gonna be good. So understand that, man. We are working, making it happen, getting this thing complete, because I'm telling y'all, we got everything laid out here. Only thing that I am missing for this bike is an inner primary, so I gotta find one of those on hand today if I could. But we're going to see how that work out. So stay tuned, man. Like I said, we're missing everything but the wheels now. So it's game time. We're waiting on the paint for this. So we're about to get to it, man. Slider. Yes, sir, man. We done finally got the motor onto the frame, back on there, not 100% bolted up. We got the front mount. I got to get it to the transmission, get those 4 bolts. We got that fresh gasket between there. I'm trying to be careful and take my time so I don't mess nothing up on the fresh casing, but y'all see what's going on, man. We got this thing back complete. Everything literally laid out on the floor. So today is going to be the day of assembly. I just want to get this out to y'all so y'all can definitely see what's going on because we finally got this thing back on there looking good. It's just time to assemble all the rest of these pieces so we could be sliding, not hiding. So understand that, man. We got everything on the way by this weekend. Everything on this bike should be bolted up, literally just waiting on the wheels. So we should have the exhaust, cam cover, everything sealed up, everything back 100%. So understand that. We got everything on the way. I'm trying to get everything knocked out and done. So we will go live this week. One of y'all lucky winners can maybe be in this joint in Arizona. For real, because I'm telling y'all, like I said before, if we sell out today, we're going to sell out. And still then, I still have to get this list, and I want everybody to have all their numbers correct and not wrong or none of that, so I don't want to hear nobody mouth. So that's why I'm going to just take the few days to get everything 100% accurate and get everything on the way. And then while I'm doing that, I can wait on the rest of these pieces for these bikes, so these bikes will be 100% complete. So by the time we go live, they'll be running and riding, so y'all can just come get them and go about y'all day. So that's the whole thing about it, man. We're trying to get everything on the way, so it's only easier when we're giving them away. We're not still waiting, trying to build the bike. Everything will be done. So that's the main thing of this whole week I'm trying to get to. So understand that, man. This is going to be the week of completion and knocked out and execution. But like I said, we can literally sell out today. So understand that, man. We are about to be knocked out and done with this bike right here. We got everything on the way. Only thing I'm going to do today actually is get that swing arm on there, finish the washers, knock out the primary, all that good stuff, get the harness back on there to where we'll be almost in this stance waiting on the paint. So understand that. Antonio could hit me today or tomorrow, have it complete. So I'm hoping for the best, trying to stay positive thinking and everything of that sort so we could just be on the way and get everything done, because I'm telling y'all, it's finally game time, man. Y'all about to finally come get these bikes in the truck, man. So understand that, man. It's been a long time coming, but that's how it is, man. When you were built by Dre, big dog, you got to understand the vision to stay down and stay consistent with your boy, because I'm telling y'all, it's coming sooner than later. And y'all see what time it is, man. We got these things looking good. We finally got this thing coming together. We finally got the motor back on the frame, so the wait is over with. I'm telling y'all, it's game time. I cannot wait, for real. I'm telling y'all. So understand that, man. I appreciate everybody for all the support. I'm about to go ahead and finish getting to it, but I'm going to upload this video today so y'all can get the memo of everything before tomorrow. But anyway, like I said before, get into win it while you can still get your 20 spots for $25, because I'm telling y'all, we're about to be going live, man. It's game time. So understand that, man. We sliding, not hiding.